Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some stovetop roast potato. So that's my potato right there, guys. As you can see, what I do, I don't peel them, I just cut them. Okay, so that's the amount that I will be using. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna boil my potato. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 1 spoon of salt, and I also had a 4 spoonful of vegetable oil and 1 spoon of butter. Okay. So now I'm gonna add my potato, and guys, my stove is on a medium to low heat. And you're just gonna cook your potato for at least 10 minutes, 10 to 8 minutes, okay? Because you don't want it to be too soft, okay? So don't cook it no longer than that. You want to give it a stir, then you're just gonna cover your pot, okay? So these are my remaining ingredients. Here I have my seasoning, and I'm also gonna add some bacon to my potato, guys. So my seasoning is Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, everyday seasoning, and parsley, and it is 1 teaspoon. Okay. And guys, if you don't have all this seasoning that I'm using, you can always use what you have, okay? It doesn't matter, okay? So that's my bacon right there, guys. As you can see, I cut it up. I'm gonna show you how I cut it up, okay? So stay tuned. So now guys, I'm gonna cut my bacon and show you exactly how I do it. So here I have my cooking scissors, and I also have my bacon. So as you can see, I'm just cutting it in pieces. Just take your time. I'm using at least 5 bacon, okay? And if you don't have a scissors, cooking scissors, you can always use a knife, okay? So that's exactly how you want your bacon to be. That's perfect size, okay? So my potato is finally finished, and as you can see guys, the fork go right through it, so it is nice and tender, and that's exactly how you want it. Perfect. And guys, you want to make sure you remove the water from your potato as soon as possible because you don't want it to overcook, okay? So now I'm gonna fry my bacon. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot guys I add some vegetable oil, and my stove is on a medium heat. So as you can see, I'm adding my bacon to my pot, and you just want to allow it guys to fry until it's nice and golden. I add all of my bacon to my pot, guys, because my pot is big, so I can add it all. But if you're using a smaller pot, you might have to fry it 2 times. So my bacon is nice and golden, guys, and that's exactly how I want it. That's perfect. So now I'm gonna remove it as soon as possible because I don't want him to burn up. So the same pot that I used to fry my bacon. So now I'm gonna add some garlic, 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm also gonna add 1 spoon of butter to it. And you're just gonna allow it to saute, guys, for at least a minute or so. So after a minute, now I'm gonna add all of my seasoning. You just wanna blend it and you're just gonna add it to your pot, okay? So now you just wanna stir it. So now, guys, I'm gonna add all of my potato and I'm just gonna allow it, guys, to fry it for at least 5 to 4 minutes on each side because you want them to look nice and golden, okay? So after 5 minutes or so, guys, now I'm gonna turn my potato. As you can see, it is nice and golden and crispy, and that's exactly how you want it. Perfect. You can see all the seasoning that you add in your oil and butter is on your potato. And guys, that's where all the flavor is, I'm telling you. And guys, you can always add some salt to it, okay? So all of my potato is nice and browned. So now I'm gonna add my bacon. And guys, the reason why I add bacon to my potato, because the bacon is just gonna give it a nice flavor. Because you know bacon is salt, so it's gonna bring this smokiness to your potato. So that's the reason why I add it. Make sure it is all stir so everything is all combined. And guys, you're just gonna leave it for at least 1 minute and it is finished, okay? No longer than that. So my bacon potato is all finished, guys, and that's what it look like. It looks so yummy. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Okay, so stay tuned. So as you can see, I'm plating up my potato and my bacon. Guys, please give me a big thumbs up for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And guys, you can always make this recipe for Thanksgiving. I know Thanksgiving is coming up, so you can make this for your families and for your friend. I'm telling you, they're gonna love it. They're gonna think that you're a chef. Cause it's gonna comes out so perfectly, honestly. And please guys, if you try my recipe, please comment below and tell me if you enjoy it, okay? Because I want to hear you guys' point of view, okay? So please comment below and give me your feedback. So I'm gonna taste some of my bacon and potato for you guys, and I'm telling you it is absolutely delicious. This recipe is a must try. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye, stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing and keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah, 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 mwah.